This video is going to explain what students should do for the problem-solving lessons that are at the end of each unit. So when a student is working in their unit, as they work through each of the required lessons, the next lesson opens up. When they get to the end of the unit, there is a problem-solving lesson. In this problem-solving, it explains the objectives. Some of them have a study, which are basically practice problems for them to complete. And then there is the practice assignment. For the practice assignment, it says, now that you have completed the material in this unit, it is time to submit your finished practice assignment to your teacher. That is not what we do for this summer online course. These practice assignments are simply for students to practice application and word type problems using the material they just learned in the unit. There is nothing for students to turn in to their teacher. We are not grading these practice assignments. It is just something for them to practice the new material. The reason they do not need to turn it in is because the answers are readily available for them to check on their own. So, click on the assignment icon to download and print your assignment. We have asked the students to keep a notebook for their summer work. Therefore, there is no need for them to print these pieces of paper. We would like to save the trees so they can just use their notebook and write the information in there. Then step 2 said, submit your completed assignment to your teacher for grading. There is nothing to submit. Students are just going to complete these problems on their own for practice and check their answers using the APEX program. So when they click for their assignment, it opens up in a separate window. In this separate window, it gives them the problems and the applications that it would like the students to complete. So the students can work on those in their notebook. And then at the very top right up here, it says Show Answers. Now, this Show Answers button will turn the answers and explanations for each problem on. So then I can see the answer and the explanation of the work that goes along with that answer. Sometimes it does say hide answers up here, but sometimes the hide answer button does not work. So once you click on answers, you should be ready to check your work. Please remember that for these practice assignments, there is nothing for students to turn in. The practice assignments are always the assignments at the bottom, usually the 0.8 numbers within the unit. Thank you.